This is how portrait video looks like. I think it's amazing. Check out that bokeh effect, the blurry background behind me, and the focus is just on my face. So there's this awesome feature on the Galaxy S22 Ultra called portrait video, which is somehow similar to cinematic video on the iPhone. Check out the blurry background in this video. You can achieve this with portrait video on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So check it out on your phone if you have one. This is another option called Big Circle. I think this is too much. This is like extreme blurriness on the phone. If you want that much blurriness, you have this option as well. I also have this really cool feature, which is the black and white background. This is called Colorpoint. That's the name. Colorpoint. Check this out as well on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's pretty cool. Finally, you have the glitch mode, where everything is glitchy, and you're the only thing that is not glitchy. I wish my life was not that glitchy at the moment.